Does it even leave, let's say, attorney, bad taste in the mouth, for example, na ang iyong tatay at ang iyong kapatid ay naka-corner ng milyon-milyon o bilyon, as alleged by Senator Trillanes, habang ikaw ay SAP, Special Assistant to the President, President Duterte back in 2016, and as a senator in 2019. Yun po, at least let's talk about
But
that
if the
part.
father and son have been engaged in that kind of job, even before you were a senator or a cabinet member, I don't know, why should you now blame him for that? Well, anong kasalanan naman itong isa? Hindi nga siya nakikialam eh. As I said, I will repeat, what is important is, yung mga projects na pinasukan nila, matino o hindi. Nakuha ba nila yan through bidding process? Kasi si Presidente Duterte, hindi naman siya it's not the President who approves bidding projects. There is a process for that. And the President is out of the loop.
Kung papayagan na lang natin at true enough, there's a construction company. Tatay mo ang may-ari, senador ka. Senator Bongo, let's use him as an example. Tatay po niya yung may construction company. Di bawat siguro mambabatas, mayor, vice mayor, congressman, senator, ipapasok na po yung kanilang pamilya, this is an example, sa construction company because there is somehow that connotation and that belief, and possibly it is true, na nakaka-influence yung mambabatas para ma-corner mo yung kontratang yon. As proven now, sir. Bid rigging. Alam na po natin yan. Lumabas na po yan sa Senado at sa House, nagkakaroon ng bid rigging. So nagkakaroon, sa bidding pa lang, nagkakaproblema na eh. So, paano ho yun? Hindi ba mali na may kapamilya ka na nasa construction industry
Siguro
and involved in government projects?
Tama ka siguro dyan. Kung yung kapamilya mo pumasok after you become a senator. Pero kung dati na lang ginagawa yan, parang tumaymay, parang naman unfair, unjust ang gagawin mo. Bakit mo tatanggalin naman ang karapatan nila magnegosyo?
Kasi naging choice mo tumakbo eh. Paano pag gano'n ang maging argumento?
Choice? Bakit nga? Why should you now deprive your family of continuing with the business that they have been doing even prior to your becoming a public servant?
Do you think meron pong kahihinatnan itong complaint na to by Senator Trillanes?
Pareho ng mga complaint na pinal niya na wala nangyari.